All right, Jeff, here it is. Oil pressure goes up. Let it sit here for a moment. Out of idle. There it is. Hear it?